Well, once we've seen more or less everything that's inside Darwin X0, what are we going to need to participate in DarwinIA Silver? Disclaimer, and let's get started. Before you start trading like crazy, wait a bit. You need to know this. We are in the calibration phase. This phase is not really a training of the trader, but of the risk management engine. This is the phase where the RME will calibrate and determine the risk you take on a monthly basis based on your trading habits. In other words, it will learn what your way of trading is. The goal of all this is none other than to adjust the risk of your Darwin so that the risk engine replicates the operations of your trading account with a maximum monthly risk of 6.5% VAR to protect future investors. To participate in DarwinIA Silver, you must create your Darwin first. And to do this, we need 20 trading decisions in a minimum of 10 trading days. You can find all the information on how to measure these trading decisions by clicking on the Darwin X0 Help tab on the left side menu, in the initial calibration phase section under capital allocation. It's a complex thing, so I'll summarize it for you. There are 20 trading positions that have a similar risk between all of them. That is, if, for example, your trading is that of a scalper who keeps his trades open for no more than 30 minutes and some of them remain open for 4 hours, that trade will not be counted as a similar risk trading decision since the duration of it is far from what you have been doing normally. We should, therefore, try to trade as regularly and stably as possible without modifying the trading style significantly, for at least 10 trading days. This means that these trading decisions will have to be made for at least 10 trading days, i.e., the days where we do not place orders will not be counted. On the other hand, Darwin X0 has also set a maximum of 90 days to overcome this initial phase. However, this is only a measure to avoid the excess of ghost accounts that have left the process halfway through and are not operating. That is, if you trade regularly, even if it takes more than 90 days because the trading style, swing trading, for example, requires it, your account will not be deleted and you will not have to pay the initial fee again. And speaking of initial fee, I remind you that below, in the description of this video and in the pinned comment, you have a direct link to the Darwin X0 registration page with a discount code already applied of €20 for the first payment of your subscription. During the process of this phase, to the right of the main panel of your Darwin, you'll find some small progress bars. Once completed, we have everything we need to create our Darwin. We don't have to request it. It will start to be created automatically and they will notify us through notifications, an email, and, in addition, this green box will appear with the time of creation of it. For technical reasons, the creation of the Darwin must be done during the weekend when the market is closed and usually takes about 8 days. In the meantime, you can continue to operate normally. All your trades, profits, losses, and statistics will still be recorded and taken into account for the creation of the Darwin. In other words, everything counts. Once created, you will begin to participate in DarwinIA Silver. But, although they say it a lot, the important thing is not to participate. The important thing is to get money, capital allocations with which we can generate success commissions. And for that you have to do just what I tell you in this video. See you in the next one.